Question number 9. A rectangle. Let me draw a rectangle. Has a width of 2x and length of x plus 1. So let me draw that as well. Determine the area of the rectangle in terms of x. Great. Now, what is the area of a rectangle? Just the width times the length, or length times width. So we know that the width is 2x. So I'm just really replacing the width for the 2x. And please don't confuse this multiplication signal here with the x. Maybe I'll just write a little dot there to represent multiplication instead. Times the length of x plus 1. Great, so we have 2x times x plus 1. So what do we need to do? We can distribute the 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. And 2x times 1, just 2x. So the area is 2x squared plus 2x. And that's as far as we would go. Now for question number 10, another rectangle. Well, this rectangle looks a little bit worse than this one, but that's okay. Now the area of this rectangle, we already know the area. That's x squared plus 2x. And the length is just x. Determine the width of the rectangle in terms of x. So now let's use the same formula. And I'll plug in what we know and leave w as the unknown. So the area is x squared plus 2x. And the width is just, sorry, I meant the length. The length is just x. Again, I'm just going to use a little dot here instead of the x so that we don't get confused. Okay, so this is what we want to solve for. We want to isolate and solve for the width. What can we do? We can divide both sides by the length, which is just x. Now the x's cancel out over here. And the width will be equivalent to x squared plus 2x over x. We can simplify that a little though. I can split this up into x squared over x plus 2x over x. And x squared divided by x is just x. We're essentially just dividing these two terms, and since the bases are the same, we can just subtract exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1. There's an invisible 1 here that I won't actually write, and 2x divided by x is just 2. So this is the width of the rectangle. There we go.